Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome for another Face Beat Friday. I just wanted to come to y'all and show y'all how I created this look. It's a very simple, quick, and easy look that looks way more like difficult, I guess, than it actually is. So this is going to actually be very beginner friendly. So stay tuned and see how I created it. Alright you guys, so that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I told you it was quick and simple, right? Super easy. If you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram at @BeStokedStyling so I can see it. Leave your comments on your thoughts on it down below. And also, if you like this wig, don't forget you can order your own at my website, www.bestokedstyling.com, or check the link up here to see how I created this color. And I will see y'all next week for another Face Beat Friday. Peace.